Alright guys, this will be take 3 for the LC12B. I found Lauren had a nice 1.3 millimeter tool. So we definitely, Adam, I'm not sure if you remember this, but when I first painted this, you were saying that this paint was going to flake right off, and you are absolutely right, my friend. But that's cool, I get to take 2 on it, so I'm fine with it. Plus it's a runner, so I ain't looking for pretty. So hopefully it holds together a little better this time. Wet, so yeah, that bump's not gonna work. I lost the front clip already, so hopefully it sticks on it. Getting my sea legs, guys. You know how I do. Yep. Clears that nice. I'm not even joking when I'm saying quarter throttling, because it's pretty slick. But I think we got it fixed, guys. We gotta win. Gotta win. I'll take it. Ooh. Getting a little silly now. Dry. Yeah, that's perfect. You guys want a bird's eye view? See what it's like from the driver's stand? Oh, that's sweet. Looks pretty good from up here. Ugh. As soon as I get up here. Now, I'm gonna, if it wasn't so wet, I'd be trying to do the doubles. I'd be pushing her a little more, but it's so wet, that's all I'm gonna do is slip. What the heck? Alright. Yeah, that jump stuck. The little hop up is just no good. This thing is filthy. It's like grease, guys. Wait till tomorrow when we got some nice weather. It's literally like grease. These weren't spiked tires. This stuff would be like all over the place. Anyways, hopefully you guys dig. Let me try a slightly different angle so you guys can. That's so cool. Hopefully you're catching this. Hopefully you guys like this new part of the track. Just testing it, and what better car to test it with than the LC. And again, anybody that's got banners, I asked LC, I asked Winter's Evening, TAMIYA, I asked a bunch of guys. I think I even asked Remo. Hopefully one of them will come back. Probably gonna paint our logo on there. So like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you when I see you. You have a great Memorial Day. Peace. So you guys want to see? I think we got to get him clean now. So he's awesome. Oh, like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you. I had to show you how dirty she was. Filthy, 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 filthy.